And now, from position 4. Now the problem with position 4 is he actually, for the first time, is at an advantage in the grappling context because he can do that and it's closer to his body. When my weapon's closer to me, I have the advantage grappling. When my weapon's closer to him, he has to keep your arms close to you. That's what makes you stronger, right? My arms out here makes me weak, your arms in there makes you strong, and you're going to wrestle me for the weapon, right? Exactly. Using my own techniques against me. So what I'm going to do is, go ahead, do that. I'm going to drop my weight through my elbow, move my body into my gun. Why my body into my gun? Because if I could pull my gun into my body, I would just pull it away from it. So I'm going to move my body into my gun, boom! Then I'm going to use my elbows. Then I'm going to make space. I'm going to do damage to him first. So I'm at position 4, he gets control of my weapon. I'm going to move my body into him. Make space. Don't move, don't move. One more time quickly. Cool. Thank you, Justin.
I'm David Sleeper from O Sleeper Tactical. Join me as I seek to equip myself and others to fight the good fight and finish the race well through fighting skills, weapon skills, and an unrelenting dedication to truth.